In this video, I'm going to show you how to make supporting graphics for your content using Grok. And I'm on X right now. If you have an X account, you can just use this. And it's super easy. I used to need to know how to use Photoshop, and it would take a little bit of time to do this. But you can just take a photo of any product. I'll use this product right here. So I'm just going to take this exact image and say, make product image with cool background using this color scheme. Hit enter and it should take like 10 seconds. So here's what it's created me, a couple different options. This one is actually pretty cool. So I will take this, just click download, and then you can just tweet or do whatever content on whatever platform you want. I'll drag this into my tweet. You can reposition it however you want, and then you just type your caption. Boom, hit post. Or schedule it, do whatever you want to do. But yeah, that's how you can use Grok to create supporting images for your content very easily. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.